Hola, buenos dias from Buenos Aires. Today we will be showing you around our $400 apartment in Buenos Aires and share our thoughts about it. Let's go.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go.
So let's get started with the balcony. Of course, one of our favorite spots because the views we see here every day are very different, whether it's sunrise or sunset. And of course, the pool, which we will go down to very soon. Right here, the neighbors. The neighborhood is not very loud. We are right now on the 11th floor. However, the thing is that, as you hear now, the dogs are always barking, like a lot. So I guess that is the only thing that bothers us the most. Then this is our bedroom. Nothing super fancy. Some TV, closed cabinet, which is a little falling apart, but it's fine. Beautiful window, AC. The curtains were hung by us because when we first moved in, there was nothing here. And they actually trusted us so we could make it ourselves. About the bedroom, it was really funny when we were looking for the apartment. This realtor sent me the link to this apartment, and then she was like, "Oh, sorry, this apartment is too small for you, and the bed is very small." And then I started going through the pictures, and I liked it a lot. And I'm like, oh, actually, we are interested. And we ended up renting this apartment. It was very funny that she sent it accidentally, and we really liked it. Next is our kitchen. Nothing fancy, and it's definitely not super new. It's very old, maybe not super old. We also cook a lot, so we had to hang this protection because, I mean, it's a great idea to have white walls in the kitchen so everything can be like as dirty as possible, right? Of course, not the best if you love cooking, but enough. Some cabinets. Also, when we moved in, they left us, of course, a bit of dishes, but not everything. We had to buy a big pot ourselves, a pan, also fridge, which is enough. And finally, the oven. And most funny is that this oven fits only here because at the start they were planning to place it right here, but it doesn't fit. So we just have to put it on the floor in order to cook something because it's impossible. Also, when we first started moving in here, we were trying to check as much as we could to make sure that everything is working. However, of course, it's not always possible to do that. For example, with the kitchen, after living here for some time, only then we found that the sink is leaking, and then we had to fix it ourselves because when I told about it, the realtor, she was like, okay, someone will come and fix it, but no one was coming after some months, and we just gave up and had to do it ourselves. So it's fine, it happens like that, I think not only in Argentina, in many countries. So I definitely recommend you to check as much as you can to make sure that they don't blame you. Also, in order to prevent any issues in the future, I took video of some places or things that were not working in the apartment, And I sent the realtor and told her that this is not working, that is not working, to make sure that they wouldn't think that it was because of us in the future. So I think that will help a lot. Next, this is the place where I spend a lot of time. A huge mirror, which they were supposed to hang on the wall, but of course they never did. And of course, the kitchen table or workspace, everything in one place. And of course, great idea to have transparent glass table in the kitchen, which is always dirty. And finally, amazing view from another window. And yes, the view is not the best. And of course, we were aware of that when we moved in. And surprisingly, the workers work so rarely that it's almost never loud. Also, we have a phone. So if someone down there comes to visit us, they need to call here in order to be let in. Otherwise, they cannot come inside the apartment if they don't live here. This is another hanger that we hang ourselves, of course. Mirror, which we managed to break actually and even fixed it. And of course, one of the most important places, the bathroom. And this is the first bathroom in my life with a window. But of course, nothing to see there, the construction. Next, we are going to move down to the pool.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go.
We went down to the pool. This is one of our favorite spots, definitely. When we first moved in, we found out that we have to make a reservation for the pool. And we were like, no, we don't want to do that all the time. It's so annoying. However, when we started doing that, we just got used to it. And I think it's even better because there will not be too many people at the same time. Or if you want to be alone, you can see on the website who has reserved the spot. So you can just not go there, let's say, if you want to be alone. So I think it's very good thing. Yeah, it's very comfortable. However, I think not all the people do that and use it, because sometimes we see more people here, but in the reservation they are not indicated. So there is plenty of space. And it's always very clean because every morning they are cleaning the pool. Enough chairs, some here and also on the other side. And what I also like a lot, that there is also a shower. So if you want to take a shower before or after, you are free to do that. And also there are some bathrooms. So that's great. So even though you live right here in the apartment, you still don't have to go up. Like, you have everything you need. So that's amazing. And also some space here. So next we are going to check out some gym.
Piso 13.
this is where we grow our muscles. The gym is not perfect. It lacks a lot of things, especially if you're working with heavy weights. However, it's actually enough for us. I think it's better than nothing. Of course, some places are like ruined. It's not super new. It's also like super shaky and sometimes doesn't feel very safe. Some things are as if falling apart, like you you feel like it might just fall anytime. But overall, it's fine. And of course, the beautiful view that we enjoy during our workout.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again. Yeah. You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated. That's how I end up.
And finally, the laundry, which is also located right in our building, so we don't have to go anywhere at all. It's pretty common practice here because not all apartments have their washing machine, and there are a lot of laundries here, but of course not all buildings have it either. So we are very lucky that we don't have to go anywhere at all. There are some washing machines and also the dryers. The thing is, however, in order to use the dryers or to use the washing machines, you have to buy special tokens, and they cost around 80 cents per one. But you also need one for this, for the washing machine, and another one you need for the dryer. So total it will be around $1.60. So it's almost nothing.